Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. It's Monday morning, October the 9th. USDA offices are going to be closed today because of the holiday, so we will not have any crop progress, private export sale announcements, or weekly export inspections today. They're all going to get pushed back till tomorrow. And weekly export sales will also be pushed back one day, so we'll have them on Friday of this week. Remember, Thursday is the supply and demand report coming out from the government. We're going to get a new look at what they believe will be the yields for corn and soybean markets. A lot of the trade has bumped their numbers up to right in line with what the USDA is thinking. So if there's a surprise here, it could easily come from the USDA thinking the crop's gotten bigger, maybe gotten smaller. But right now, everybody's expecting USDA to leave things unchanged. And a lot of times this report doesn't produce a lot of surprises, but the trend here has been for bigger yield numbers. Historically anyway, from the August to September and then September to October. If those yields get bigger, this report is likely to see a little bit bigger yield for both corn and soybeans. Won't see any yield numbers on wheat. They're wrapped up with the small grain summary. We will have ending stocks for wheat and corn and soybeans as well. In the livestock trade, very late cash trade. Could be deemed as a little disappointing. Futures had rallied on Friday, and in fact, late in the week, anticipating sharply higher trade. We had some 108, maybe 109 in the south, 110 paid in Nebraska. So you're looking at steady to higher money. Question will be is how much disappointment that is versus the hedge lifting we're likely to see on the opening. So I do expect strength right on the opening, the cattle, on some hedge lifting, but we may start to see the market get here priced high enough that it's a very attractive price to feedlots, as we're well over the cash markets. In fact, we're high enough in the October futures we could see some deliveries tonight, as we're in the first notice day against October cattle. Options expired on Friday, so if you're a producer, you've got to look at higher prices here as your only protection to use the board for October, because you don't have any options strategies to use as they've gone off the board. And I do think we'll see some strength in the cattle to start with. Whether we can sustain that by the end of the day is another question. I'm thinking we're getting into resistance points where should stall this market out. Have a great day and good luck, good trading. Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets.